Hi you guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm a brown skin girl and मैंने मेरे influencing career के 7 साल में कम से कम 100 से ज्यादा brown lipsticks को swatch किए हैं. There was a time जहाँ पे मुझे इतनी difficulties होती थी एक perfect brown shade ढूंढने के लिए, because back then इतने सारे brands नहीं थे जो न्यूड ब्राउन लिपस्टिक्स को इंट्रोड्यूस करते थे मार्केट में. एंड बीइंग अ ब्राउन स्किन गर्ल आई नो हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज टू फाइंड दैट परफेक्ट ब्राउन न्यूड लिपस्टिक. मैंने तो ऐसे बहुत सारे लिपस्टिक्स ट्राई किए, बट इन टुडेज वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू माय टॉप 4 recent favorites in the current time. मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी कि ये मेरा बहुत 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 ज्यादा फेवरेट है, because there are so many brands nowadays coming up with new brown lipsticks. So मैं every time I just go and try all the shades and introduce to you guys. So these are my current 4 favorite. Also these are super affordable. ये ज्यादा भी महंगे नहीं है और ये सारे इंडियन ब्रांड से है. I'm going to take you one by one from all 4. I have Mars, I have Maybelline के 2 है, and I have from Sugar. So let's just see how it looks. I have already swatched them on myself. I'm going to swatch it on my hand and show it to you. So let's just get started with the video. मैं formally तो नहीं बोलूंगी, but please अगर तुम्हें मेरा वीडियो पसंद आ रहा होगा and if you're liking what I'm posting these days, then please go and subscribe to my channel and do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. सबसे पहले हम अफोर्डेबल कैटेगरी से स्टार्ट करेंगे, विच इज द मार्स मैट मूज लिपस्टिक. मैंने एक्चुअली मार्स का मैट मूज का पूरा जो 12 शेड्स है उसको ऑलरेडी स्वॉच किया है. आई हैव मेड अ डिटेल्ड रिव्यू वीडियो. यू कैन गो एंड टैप समवेयर हियर. आई विल लिंक इट फॉर यू गाइज, बट इस वीडियो के बाद देखना. So this is the first one and this is in the shade 02 Style Icon. It's a very pretty brown shade. Now what I really like about this Mars is जो इनका formulation है. It really goes with the name that it is a very matte mousse लिपस्टिक. अगर तुम इसका टेक्सचर देखोगे तो ये काफी ज्यादा मैट है एंड ये इंस्टेंटली ब्लर कर देता है तुम्हारे लिप्स को. दे हैव लॉन्च सो मेनी शेड्स and I'm so proud of them that they have come up with so many different brown shades. This is one of them which I absolutely love. Now there are shades which are little darker than this and little lighter than this, but this is the perfect match. You can wear it with makeup, you can wear it without makeup, and it's still going to complement your skin so well. As someone who has hyperpigmentation on the mouth, मेरे को बहुत ही डिफिकल्टी होता है ऐसा ब्राउन शेड चूज करने को जो यहाँ पे मेरे हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन को और ज्यादा उठ के ना दिखाए. बिकॉज अगर मैंने लिपस्टिक लगाया वो काफी ज्यादा लाइट दिखता है, मेरा हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन उठ के दिखता है. सो दिस इज समथिंग आई रियली लाइक एंड इट इज सुपर अफोर्डेबल. प्राइस आई विल मेंशन समवेयर ऑन द स्क्रीन. यू कैन चेक इट आउट एंड सारा लिंक्स विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑल्सो. So this is the one that I absolutely love and this is more of everyday. अगर तुमने क्लीन गर्ल मेकअप किया है तो उसके ऊपर भी ये बहुत ही ज्यादा सूट करता है. I have wore this so many times. Next is this Maybelline Super Stay Teddy Tint and this is in the shade 20 Mascara Tear. Now this is a teddy tint. मैंने इसको लिया था, मैं इसको एज अ टिंट अप्लाई करके देखती थी, बट वो मेरे स्किन पे इतना ज्यादा मतलब इट यूज टू ब्लेंड वेरी नाइसली बट देयर वाज नो पिगमेंट. लाइक हम एक टिंट अप्लाई करते हैं तो टिंट का पिगमेंट रहता है. आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर द लाइटिंग बिकॉज ये सूरज देवता आ रहे हैं जा रहे हैं, सो यू हैव टू just adjust with the lighting. Talking about this tint, इसका tint ज्यादा visible नहीं है एटलीस्ट मेरे स्किन टोन पे. if you're a fair to medium skin tone and if you use this shade as a tint, I'm still not sure how is it going to look because जब अब मैं तुमको एक बार blend करके दिखाती हूँ. अगर इसको मैंने थोड़ा सा अप्लाई करके भी ब्लेंड किया तो यू कैन सी पूरा ब्लेंड हो जाता है, पूरा स्किन में एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है एंड देयर इज नो टिंट व्हाटसएवर. सो एज अ टिंट, एज अ फेस टिंट मैं इसको बिल्कुल भी रेकमेंड नहीं करूंगी. तो मुझे ये नहीं पता ये टेडी टिंट क्यों कहते हैं. अगर हम इसको लिप टिंट बोलेंगे तो येस यू कैन यूज एज अ लिप टिंट, बट एज अ चीक टिंट यू कैन नॉट यूज दिस एज अ चीक टिंट बिकॉज मुझे तो इसका पिगमेंटेशन बिल्कुल भी नहीं दिख रहा है. वो पूरा डिजॉल्व हो जाता है स्किन के अंदर बट स्टिल लिव्स नो पिगमेंटेशन. सो इट इज ऑफ कोर्स नो यूज ऑन चीक्स. बट once you apply it on your lip, it is such a beautiful shade. Let me just swatch it for you guys. This is the shade, and इसका ना texture is very creamy, very velvety, as you can clearly see. It is little shinier, so once you apply it on your lip, it glides very easily. It gives that very one swipe pigment. But the thing which I don't like at all about this tint is that it feels very sticky. So when I do like, मेरे लिप्स एक दूसरे से ऐसा बहुत स्टिक हो जाता है एंड वो ऐसे फट के निकलता है, तो दैट आई डोंट लाइक. बट टॉकिंग अबाउट द शेड, I really love the shade. I really like how it looks on my skin tone, but the formulation, I'm not that happy with the formulation, and also it is very sticky, and हम अगर cheeks पे apply करेंगे तो it is of no use. So that's the drawback. But if we talk about the shade, as we are talking about the shades here, I really like the shade. It is more of a dark brown. So no matter if you are a fair skin, medium skin, or dusky skin, this will look good on you because it looks so good on me. With makeup, without makeup, I'm not very comfortable wearing this, but with makeup, I really like it. Next one is my another favorite from Maybelline. Now this is their new serum matte lipstick, and this is in the shade 07 Avenue. Such a beautiful bold brown shade, I must say that. You can see how easily it has glide, and you can see the bold shade that it has. It has a perfect dark chocolate brown color, which I absolutely love. Now let's talk about why this one is in my favorite. Number one, the shade. तुम देख सकते हो ये तीनों में से काफी ज्यादा डार्क ब्राउन शेड है. Number two, this is a serum infused lipstick, so it gives a very good hydration to your lips, and it just glides so easily. It gives that one swipe bold pigment, and also it makes your lips so hydrated, unlike the teddy tint I was talking about. It is very, sticky and very dehydrating, but at the same time, this serum lipstick, it is so hydrating. The shade looks so good and so rich on brown Indian skin tone. uh, this is how it looks on dusky skin. So just imagine if you're someone who is fair to medium, वो और ज्यादा उठ के दिखेगा. So if you're someone who likes the deep brown shade, you should definitely go with this one. But in case if you don't like, I have other two, and there is one more that I'll show you guys later. So this is the one that I absolutely love. I love the shade, and they have so many multiple shade range, but the brown one is my absolute favorite. Last but not least, I have the one from Sugar Glide Peptide Serum. If you have watched my previous vlog, you know that I co-created 5 lip shades with Sugar Cosmetics, and this is one of them. So just in case if you don't know, here is a little context that Sugar invited 10 creators to make 5 lipsticks for all the Indian skin tones, and I have all 5 of them. The shade is 12 Tulum Toffee, because as I said that it is so difficult to find that perfect, brown shade for us brown skin tone. And most importantly, finding a brown shade which goes well with makeup and without makeup is very important, because हम 24/7 मेकअप नहीं लगाते हैं. So अगर हम नीचे उतर रहे हैं, अगर हम कोई फ्रेंड को मिलने जा रहे हैं, if you're not wearing makeup, just because I'm the person, I'm not wearing makeup every single time. You will see me on streets wearing no makeup at all, but just applying mascara and lipstick. So I wanted a lipstick that goes very well even without makeup. This is it. You will see the shade again. It is very similar to the Maybelline one. It looks so rich. It is so brown, but again it goes so well with all the Indian skin tone, no matter how fair, how medium, or how dusky you are. It goes so well. And let me just quickly swatch it for you here. You can see there is still a difference between, like, there is a slightly difference, if you could, recognize among these two shades, the Maybelline one and the Sugar one. This is more darker side, and this is a one shade lighter. But again, it is such a beautiful shade. Again, it has a glide peptide serum in it. Once you apply it, your lip feels so hydrated. It gives that very one swipe bold pigment, and also it is very long lasting and non-transfer. Once you apply, you have to obviously wait for a while, and then it is not going anywhere at least for 8 to 10 hours. I have tried it by myself. मैं छाती ठोक के बोल सकती हूँ ये चीज. Make sure you try each of them and get one that will suit perfectly for yourself. I'm pretty much sure this particular from Sugar Glide Peptide will go with all the Indian skin tone, because I have made it, I have tried it, I have tested it with all different skin tones. I'm sure this will go pretty well with all the Indian skin tone among all the 4 shades. Now, for the people who have stick around till the end of the video, I just have a one task for you. Just let me know in the comments down which is this shade that I'm wearing among all of the 4, and the one who will guess it right, I am going to give you the exact shade as a giveaway. This was just very unplanned, and ये idea मेरे दिमाग में अचानक से आया है, so I was not prepared for this giveaway, guys. So if you guess it right, which shade I'm wearing among all the 4, you will get the same shade as a giveaway. That's pretty much it. I'm just waiting for your answers in the comments down, and also all the products links will be in the description box. And do not forget to follow me on my Instagram, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.